Atom by Augie Jacob and Jonathan Bledsoe. An atom is the smallest particle into which an element can be divided and still be the same substance.
Hey Jacob, you want to give that back? All of it?
The models of the atom. In 1803, John Dalton proposed that all substances are made of small particles called atoms that cannot be divided. In 1897, J.J. Thomson performed experiments that detected small particles within the atom. He believed that these particles were mixed throughout the atom. And in the early 1990s, experiments by scientists such as Ernest Rutherford and James Chadwick revealed the nature of the density of the atom. That was 1932. And this is what an atom looks like today.
Alright, this is an atom of the element neon. It has these are neutrons, these are these are protons, these are neutrons, and these are electrons. There's 10 neutrons, 10 electrons, and 10 neutrons. In the nucleus, it's made up of neutrons and protons. In the outer shells, it's made up of electrons. In the first shell, there's always 2. That's the maximum you have. And in the outer shells, you can have 8, up to 8.
Now, atoms can be classified different ways. As Jacob said earlier, this is an element of neon. Now, why this element is neon is because of the protons. You can see there are 10 protons. Well, if an atom ever has 10 protons, that automatically means it's going to be an atom of neon. Now, these are all classified in the periodic table, but how they're classified in the periodic table is by actually the number of protons. So the protons actually represent what element they are and what something called an atomic number is. Now the atomic number is of course 10 because neon has 10 protons. So that means it's the 10th element in the periodic table.